Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you guys my skincare journey. 3 months ago I was having really bad skin and I was having like red bumps on my cheeks. I will include a picture of it, you can look at it. So now it just changed quite a bit and my skin has improved a lot better. That's what. So yeah, so I'm not going to share with you like my whole entire skincare routine, but I'm going to share what all products helped me to get my skin better. So if you really want to know like what all products I used in my 3 months journey, you can watch this video. I hope this might really help you. So firstly, you all should wash your face twice a day. So for face washes, I have used these face washes from Body Shop Seaweed, and this one is from Forest Essential. You can use any face washes that you have or that suit your skin. And then comes the magic product. This is the toner. This is not the Forest Essential one. This is the toner that I have made up at home. So this is the neem toner. What you can do, just boil some water and put the neem leaves and some saffron and haldi in it, and just boil it to the maximum level and cool it down, and put up in the strain it and then put up in the spray bottle and then refrigerate it, and then you can use it after your face wash. So this really helps your skin, as neem has some anti-inflammatory properties. So yeah, this really helps. So if you want to know like elaborated recipe, I can share it with you guys. You have to comment below. So after this comes the aloe vera gel. So yeah, I have used aloe vera gel. I didn't use any moisturizer or sunscreen. I haven't used any moisturizer. So because I was really skeptical and scared at the same time that it might really cause more bumps. So yeah, I was really scared. So that's why I have used this aloe vera gel for these 3 months. And after this, along with this, I also had homeopathic medicine for 2 or 3 weeks. So this also really helped my skin to get better. And after this, I also used this Body Shop tea tree oil on the bumps only. So you just have to take a little bit and just apply it on your bumps and or on the pimples. So it really helped my skin to get better. Okay, so for masking, you can use any homemade mask that you apply, or you can use this Divya Kanti Lep. So this what you have to do is put some in the palm and just make it a mixture with the water and just apply it on your cheeks or whenever like wherever you have bumps. So you have to leave it for 1 or 2 hours to see the maximum results. So yeah, this is also really a good product. And then at night time after your dinner, so after like 1 or 2 hours, you can have this Triphala Churn. I also had this. I'm still having this. So this is from Dabur. This really helps your to clean your gut. This really helps in cleansing of the gut and cleansing of the digestive system. So if you have something internally wrong, like you're not eating well, so this really helps like in this area. So I had this also. And never forget to drink water. Never forget to drink water. 8 glasses a day. So I also had enough of water, and I had coconut water, I had chia seed water and whatnot, and I was eating right, and I was not applying any sort of makeup and like any sort of heavy makeup. So this all I did. Like now as my skin is getting better, so I've started using moisturizer and sunscreen, because yeah, just summers are here and I really thought that it's enough. So I started using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel for the moisturizer. All eight, these were the products that I have used in my entire journey. um, if you I hope this video really might help you, and never forget to love yourself, guys. Your skin is just is a temporary thing. Everybody has these acne and these bumps, so it is not a new thing, right? I always thought that मेरे को नहीं होगा, but हो गया. It happens, with the change of environment, with the change of atmosphere, with the change of water. You have these small little pimples in your life. It's just a normal part of your life. You just have to treat it with care and some patience. That's it. And never forget to love yourself. You are beautiful inside, and it doesn't matter if you're beautiful outside. But I know it really hurts, and it will get better with patience and with care. You just have to be patient. And I hope this video really helps you. And if you're dealing with some similar problem, please visit a doctor and dermatologist. And if it is mild or very minor, you can treat it at home. But if it's severe, you should visit your doctor. And these were the products that I have used, and that has worked for me. And if you want that it should work for you, then you should have to do a patch test. And that's it. Because every skin is different. And that's it for this video. And if you really like this video, please give it a like, and please comment below down and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.